you have a website you need to drive traffic to, open up a search window, search for a QR code generator. I happen to like QR Monkey, it's free. Copy the URL that you are looking to make a QR code for, paste it into the box, click on the Create QR Code, and then download the PNG. This is an advertisement for their paid version of the service on a separate site. Don't worry about it, I'm just not advertising to you here. Save the QR code wherever you want on your PC. This is just going to be a standard .png file, so it's a picture you can attach to pretty much anything. And you can pause the video and check to see if this works right now if you want. But there's your QR code. You can send that to people. You can attach it to a document, print it out, and you're all set. Now, why might you want to do this? One of my friends was telling me about their online shop that they host through TCGPlayer. It's called Copper Collectibles. Now, a Google search for Copper Collectibles doesn't actually turn anything up. If you know search engines, maybe you can find it properly, because sure enough, that is their page, but let's assume you go through TCGPlayer first instead. As I said, this is indeed their shop page, and they have several thousand sales and positive ratings from buyers. But going through just the main player website, if you look them up, we got no results. So you have to click a separate screen to find the seller. And so you gotta search for them again. And that would be them. But it's still searching in the context of Copper Collectibles, and if you don't know the site, you'll hit leave like I just did, and then have to look them up again. And sure enough, there they are, and if I hit that shop from the seller, it's their actual page of what they're currently offering. 4 links down is just far too deep to go into a website to efficiently drive people to your business. And when you're in the business of trading cards, it might make sense to print out a grid of these QR codes and then just slip them into card sleeves on cheaper cards or cards that are no longer tournament usable. And you can give them out at tournaments or as a freebie included with people's orders. This specific example QR code will be on screen now. Link to the QR code generator will be in the description, along with a link to the downloadable copy of this PNG QR code. And if this helped you out, please leave me some feedback. Thanks!